Make a big shout out and welcome to my channel. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart and thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you will be updated for my next video. If you like this video, please like and share my video. Thank you so much. And today we will be doing another unboxing. And dumating po yung isa kong in-order, guys. And I'm so excited anyways. But I'm not so excited for this because, you know what? Anyway, here, I have this one and I don't know what is this one. Let me check. Actually, guys, I forgot this one. Okay. I get the idea now. Yes, this one. This one. Because it's really painful. So it's paining in my this is belt. Like you will do this one. Do like this. Yes. And you have to adjust this one. Like this. And you have to adjust this one for this one. If you have sciatica, if you have a painful here, it will help. I saw this one actually online, guys. So, wow. It arrives. And it seems like it is okay. Because when you will be in pain here, yeah, yung katawan mo dito, so magiging okay po siya. Hala, ang ganda niya, guys. Promise. Again. So this is it. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda. Yay! Yes, I have already this one. Thank you so much. It arrives and I really love it. It is, kung ano yun siya sa online, yun din ang naano ko. Okay, thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much. This has been Pure Stoneheart. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Spread love and positivity. Thank you.